What's going on, cowboy? In this video, we are talking about my particular investing strategy in this bear trend. The two coins that I'll be buying, the price targets that I'll be buying, and why I'll be buying them, all of the above. This is just to help me process my thoughts, and you let me know. Am I off base with these thoughts? Am I right on point? Do you agree or disagree? And what coins are you buying? Because look, if we look at the Bitcoin chart here, it's completely tanked. Okay, it's at $46,000. It was a week ago 51,000, almost $52,000, and the market, everyone's bags are probably around 30 to 40% down. And so you've lost a lot of money, like me. I did sell some when I was hitting the top, and I was very open about it in the Telegram and the HRC and the High Rollers Club. Hey, I'm going to be taking some profits, and I always am taking profits, especially on the way up. And so we'll be talking about how to keep those profits going down on the way down and how to prep for another massive bull run. And I think that's happening. But for right now, it's extreme fear right now. 21 for equals extreme fear. And like you've heard it said before, when people are fearful, we have to be greedy. When the market is doing zigging, we're doing some zagging. And right now the market's saying that Bitcoin is still getting some inflows of $51 million, but Ethereum lost a lot of money here. Binance, not as much either, but people are running into Solana and Tron, which is very, very interesting. I didn't know about the Tron move, but I guess that's what they're doing here, which is very interesting. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to my next Bitcoin while helping you to your next Bitcoin. I'm not your financial advisor. This is never financial advice, but I'm a cowboy with a lizard brain, gorilla arms, and diamond hands, exploring the wildest of cryptocurrency with a whole bunch of other cowboys. If you want to roll with us, hit the subscribe button down below. Join us in the saloon. That's the Telegram channel. Join us online at cowboysofcrypto.com, where there's a whole bunch of giveaways and all that kind of stuff. Now, I need to like offload all my thoughts here, and I need someone to bounce that off of, and you know, you're listening to me, so that person is you. During this time, it's a bear trend. I see all these prices low. Right now, I'm sitting in a spot where I sold off like 30-40% of my positions into stable coins, and I was just kind of waiting. A lot of people sold a lot more, and I guess they called it better, but I sold a little bit because that's how I usually do when it's on its way up. I'm dollar cost averaging, or DCA. I'm dollar cost averaging out. I'm not selling all at the same time, but I'm averaging out a sell-off. So now that I did that in the big bull run, I have enough money to then buy some dips now. Now, what am I going to buy, and how am I going to buy into them? In my opinion, I am looking at one of two, or both of these options. The first one I'm looking at is Mana or Decentraland. Why am I looking at, look at this, 308. Sounds, that looks so good right now. Okay, and it's at an all-time low at 308. So $3.08. So why am I buying Decentraland? Well, here's why. Because the narrative of metaverse is so strong right now. Like everyone is buying into the metaverse. I don't even know if it's like worthwhile, this metaverse. I've got plans, I've got ideas that I could like kind of, you know, go into the metaverse with, but it's all speculative, and it's still, there's a bunch of hype. So when a bull run starts to come back, I am believing that one of the major ones that is going to shoot off is Decentraland. So if I buy now at like say $3.08 and it shoots back up to $4.08, that's a 25% return on, or you know, back, I think, no, that's 25% of $4. It's probably a little more, like 33%, 33% return on my investment, and then I'm going to sell when it's about $4. So right now I'm looking to buy. I'm probably going to buy right now. I'm going to average in. So I'm going to buy in like 10% of what I have. So probably about, no, I'm not 10%, maybe like $200 now, and then maybe $200 tomorrow morning, and then maybe another $200 that afternoon, and see how that goes. Because I'm not sure how long this bull trend will last. Some of these bull trends, or sorry, bear trends, they've lasted a good long time. Like if you zoom in here, if like you're in here, this is from 1029 and all the way, and then it drops and all the way here to 12 or 1112. So you're looking at like maybe 2-3 weeks of this just like lower before it pops off again. Okay, so you got to understand, like if you're buying into these positions, the time frame here is probably like a week or two, or maybe even a few months, especially when we peaked up in, you know, May, and then dropped down in June, July, August, and then like September started coming back up again. August, September. So you got to have a correct time frame, and how I'm thinking about it is, okay, do I believe that Decentraland still has that momentum with it to carry it on back to $4, because that's where I'll start dollar cost averaging in. And me personally, I believe so. I believe Decentraland is a good buy. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm looking to buy. Here are my price targets. I'm looking to buy now, and I'm going to dollar cost average in as it keeps on dropping. And then once it starts making its way up, I'm going to let those, those horses run, that Decentraland horse run just a little bit. And so I'm going to start thinking about $3.75, 80 cents. I'm going to start dollar cost averaging out just to make sure that if it does dip again, I will have some more money to buy in once again. And so the reason why I like Decentraland, and of course, a sand is a good option. I would probably throw an ultra in there for a little more riskier play. If you don't know what ultra is, it's a gaming like platform here, so I kind of like this myself. Look at the big spike up and then this big drop down. So I'm kind of like an ultra right now. It's pretty good for me, and so yeah, I like ultra. So these things, ultra, sand, and Decentraland particularly. That's the one I'm looking at now. Though that is like one category. I really just meant to say Decentraland, but sand and ultra are good options as well. The other one I'm looking at is Polygon or Matic. And now you let me know if this is a good buy or not. Okay, $1.76. I plan on buying probably closer to like 160 because just recently it went to like 140 or so, I think. Let's check the well, maybe not. I'm not sure what I was looking at. Maybe it was down here. Oh yeah, 12. Yeah, 12 right here. 177. So look, we're looking at some good support buys right here. So this is looking like a good supported right here. So I'll probably be buying pretty soon actually. 170, 170. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if that's the best technical analysis, but every time I see this go down, it's hitting these levels and it's springing right back up. And so is there a bigger narrative that's carrying this further down? Maybe, but that's why you dollar cost average in. Okay, this is why if I have $1,000 to buy right now, I'm not spending $1,000 here at the bottom at like 176. I'm spending maybe $200, and then tomorrow I'm going to see what happens, and I'm going to buy another $200. And as long as I'm dollar cost averaging in, I get the average and I'm safe, and I hedge my bet there, because you really never know, right? I mean, it doesn't matter what kind of technical analysis you get. It's crazy. Like this thing could shoot up or shoot down. All the technical analysis, all these guys are saying the same thing. It could go up, it could go down, and they draw their lines and they draw the wedge. All I see here is that Polygon is a great buy. It's a long-term hold. I want to be able to dollar cost average in to my long-term positions during this this bear market, this bear trend. During a bull run, I will be willing to be more aggressive, more riskier, more, like get into the smaller coins. I'm willing to do that. But in a bear trend, for me, I like to play it more cautious. I don't know about you. If these thoughts make sense to you, let me know in the comment section below. I try not to overthink it, but if you're a big brain and you overthink it and you say I'm stupid and you don't know what to talk about, Aaron, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, lizard brains, gorilla arms, diamond hands, cowboys always ride together. I love rolling with you guys, and especially part of that is being in the saloon, being in these groups. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll see you in the next video.